In this video, I have an easy to style unit in a not so common color. If you're interested, keep watching. Welcome to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and today I have a new Janet Collection HD melt unit courtesy of WIGTYPES. Thank you WIGTYPES so much for sending over this unit. Let me show you the specs on MABEL. MABEL is an HD lace wig in the color Butler Scotch, and I think it is so pretty. She is a thick, silky unit, about 20 inches long. I measured her myself. Inside, she has HD lace, a 13x6 parting space, an adjustable elastic band, and your usual 3 combs and adjustable straps. As usual, I plucked this unit a bit on the hairline, but she really looked good before, so you can choose to do so or not. I don't review Janet Collection wigs very often, but when I saw this one on WIGTYPES, I just had to have her. Let me show you what she looks like in the back. I really love this Butler Scotch color, and at first I thought it was butterscotch, but it's actually Butler Scotch. And what I really like about it is I didn't have to lay it down. As you can see in the video that I'm about to show you, all I had to do was put a little bit of the leftover foundation on my brush on the lace, and it worked out really well. There are several other new Janet Collection wigs on WIGTYPES, so check those out on their site. MABEL was easy to style, but I'm going to give her a 4 only because I wish she was yakky. Now it's time for the old school trivia contest where you can win a free headband from my store, slg58.myshopify.com. Today's question comes from the 70s. So the question is, what was the name of the female singing group whose name sounded like a temperature? If you know the answer, be the first to put it in the comments and you'll win the free headband. Thank you so much for watching, ladies, and I especially thank WIGTYPES for sending over this unit. As I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course so are you. See you next time.